Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify about photography and camera equipment business isn't quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Choose an account and now wait a few seconds to build in this store. So once you got here, you can go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change the themes if you want and customize them on your homepage store. So that's it. Here select any theme you want. So for example, I'm gonna choose this and wait a few seconds to install in the theme. So now once your theme is installed, click publish and here you can customize it on your store. Now click customize and it will take you to your store. So here you can change the style of your home page. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So for me I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. Here we find the settings where you can design your style and customize it. So the first here we have the header, the announcement bar. You can here change the color scheme. You can show separate line. Also you can show icons on desktop. You can turn this on, auto rotate announcements. Here you can enable country and region selector. Also you can enable language selector. If you want to delete some section, just select it and click here remove section and it will be deleted. Now let's move on to the next section, the header. So this is the announcements. We can change it. Here you can pass the link or search for something you want. For example, I'm gonna select collections, all collections. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the header section. Here you can change and manage the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it if you want. You can change the desktop menu type. You can change the sticky header. Also you can show separator line. You can turn this on. You can change the color scheme. You can also change the menu color scheme. You can change the menu. You can enable country and region selector, and also you can enable language selector. Here you can manage the spacing, the section padding, and that's it. Now let's move on to the theme settings. Here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link, or your Facebook, or your Pinterest, or Instagram, or whatever you want. So let's move on to the logo. Here you can select your logo from your library. You must select it from your library. So for example, let's just search it on the browser, photography and camera equipment, logo idea, like this. So now for example, choose whatever you want. So of course you're gonna choose it from your library, from your own library. So this is just for example. So this is your logo right now. You can design it at any time. You can edit it, you can change it, you can delete it if you want. Here you can change the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the slideshow. The next section, the slideshow section. Here you can edit the layout. You can also change the slide height. You can change the pagination style. You can turn this on, auto rotate slides. Here you can manage the animation, the image behavior. You can turn this on, show contents below image on mobile. Here you can manage the accessibility. So that's it. Let's get back. Let's move on to the slide. So here you can select image from browser or from your library. It's better to be from your library. So for example, Now click here. This is the heading. You can generate the text on the heading. Just describe what this text is about. Photography, for example, photography and camera equipment, like this. Here you can change the heading size. Also here, like this, just describe what this text is about. Here you can change the button label. Also here you can change the button link. I'm gonna select all collections. Here you can use the outline button style. You can show container on desktop. You can change the color scheme. You can manage the mobile layout. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the next section, the featured collection. Also here you can change the, you can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. For example, camera equipment. So that's it. You can here change the heading size. You can also, just like this, just describe what this text is about, and you can generate the description. Here you can edit the form of the text. You can also show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Here you can change the collection or create your own collection. You can make product full width. You can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. So that's it. Here you can change this. You can manage the product card. You can show second image on hover, or you can show the vendor. You can show product rating. Here you can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. Let's get back. Let's move on to the footer section, the last section on the website. You can change the, you can manage the email sign up. Here you can change the color scheme. You can make section full width if you want. You can change the section padding. So that's it. Now let's get back. If you want to add something new on your home page, just click here, select any, you can select what kind of section you want to add, like image with the text or image banner, or if you want to add another slideshow. So that's it. After you're done from this, just save this like here, like this, and let's get back to the home page, the dashboard. So after you're done from customizing your website, after you add your first product, after you customize your online store, after you add your custom domain, and after you add the sharing details, now let's move on to the next section. The next step is name your store. So here you can name your store, just type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and here you can type your, you can change your store email. So let's save this, and let's move on to the last step on the this editing this website. The next section, the next step is launch your online store. You can pick a plane. So here you can pick a plane. Now you can remove your store password if you want. Here you can choose a plane or deactivate trial. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, just launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.